This is a test of the onboard microphone on the Vixa camera. Checking 1, 2. Test 1, 2. This is a test of the video Rode microphone using the onboard Vixa input. Check 1, 2. This is a test of the VideoMic Pro at 20 dB. Check 1, 2. This is a test of the onboard microphone in an outdoor loud environment. Check 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the video mic in a loud environment. Check 1, 2. This is a test of the VideoMic Pro in an outdoor loud environment at -10 dB. Check 1, 2.